If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. Life should be great rather than long. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. Men are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Sincerity is the sum of all moral qualities. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated. We must stand on our own feet and fight as best as we can for our rights. So carry on your agitation and organize your forces. Power and prestige will come to you through struggle. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Equality may be a fiction, but nonetheless, one must accept it as a governing principle.